Students, this is my second video on Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? First of all, in this video, I will explain the title, then the message, figures of speech, special features. Now, let me see what is the title. The title Have You Earned Your Tomorrow means have you done anything because of which you should be known in future? Man is known only by his deeds. So, if you have done good deeds, you will be remembered even later on. What is the message? The poet is trying to say little things also matter a lot for a better tomorrow. Good deeds and decent behavior one should always adopt in life. Special features. The poem has 4 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. The rhyming words I have already mentioned after the first stanza, second stanza, third stanza, and the fourth stanza. The rhyme scheme, once again, I am repeating. Here it is AABB, CCAA, DDEE, FFAA. The sound AY is repeated in the first, second, and the fourth stanza. Figures of speech. The first one is alliteration, toiling town. Here, the consonant sound T is repeated. Interrogation. Did you leave a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent? Interrogative line is used with force very effectively. Synecdoche. The first example is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? Here, the person is rejoicing, not his heart. So, the heart is single but used to indicate the whole, that is, person. The second example is that you help a single brother of the many that you passed. Here, brother is a part used for all fellow human beings. That means brother is a part, but it is used for all human beings. So, human beings is whole. The next example is visual imagery. There are 3 examples given: vanish in the throng, rust along the way, close your eyes and slumber. Students, for the critical appreciation of the poem, summary, line meaning, you can visit my website learnenglish.com. Thank you, students.